Imagine being the fastest animal on Earth, and still having no chance of escape. That's the reality for many creatures targeted by nature's most formidable hunters, those who never hunt alone. From wolves in icy forests to insects in dense jungles, teamwork in the animal kingdom is as vital as tooth and claw. Today, we're counting down the most astonishing animals that hunt in packs. Let's begin our journey into the secret world of nature's deadliest teams. Wolves are legendary pack hunters, and for good reason. Their reputation as masters of the silent hunt has been earned over countless generations, surviving and thriving in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Moving almost ghost-like through the snow, their presence is felt long before it is seen, a testament to their stealth and unity. A typical wolf pack consists of 6 to 10 members, though some packs can be even larger. Each wolf has a unique role. Leaders, often called alphas, guide the group with experience and authority, while older wolves mentor the young, passing down vital skills and knowledge. The pack is a family, bound by loyalty and shared purpose. Wolves don't rush their prey. Instead, they rely on patience, intelligence, and finely tuned strategy. Every hunt is a lesson in discipline, as they wait for the perfect moment to strike, reading the landscape and the behavior of their quarry with remarkable precision. As the hunt unfolds, wolves spread out, communicating silently through glances and subtle body language. They track every movement of their prey, ensuring that no escape route is left unguarded. This coordination is the result of years of practice and instinct working together. Some wolves take on the role of chasers, pursuing the prey from behind, pushing it to exhaustion. Their relentless pursuit is designed to wear down even the strongest animals, testing the limits of endurance. Meanwhile, other wolves anticipate the prey's moves, cutting off exits and tightening the circle. This pincer movement leaves the prey with fewer and fewer options, until escape becomes impossible. The pack moves as one, silent, focused, and relentless. Their synchronized movements are a marvel of natural teamwork, each wolf attuned to the others, responding instantly to the slightest signal. Even the swiftest prey, animals built for speed and agility, can find themselves surrounded, their options dwindling with every passing second. The wolves' patience and coordination pay off in these critical moments. Young wolves watch and learn, absorbing the subtle cues and strategies that will one day make them skilled hunters and leaders themselves. Every hunt is a classroom, and every member is both student and teacher. This extraordinary teamwork allows wolves to bring down animals that would be impossible for a lone hunter: massive moose, powerful elk, and even the formidable bison. Their collective strength and intelligence make them apex predators. The wolves' hunting strategy is not just a product of instinct, but of generations of survival in unforgiving landscapes. Each hunt refines their skills, ensuring the pack adapts and endures, no matter how harsh the winter or how scarce the prey. After the hunt, the spoils are shared among all members, reinforcing bonds and teaching the young the importance of cooperation and generosity. These moments of sharing are vital for the pack's unity and future success. Every successful hunt is more than just a meal, it's a victory for the entire pack, celebrated with haunting howls that echo across the wild. These howls are both a signal of triumph and a way to strengthen the social fabric of the group. Wolves remind us that unity, not just strength, is nature's greatest force. Their survival depends on their ability to work together, to trust and support one another through every challenge. In the wild, the pack's cooperation is their true power. It is this spirit of teamwork, resilience, and shared purpose that makes wolves the undisputed masters of the silent hunt. African wild dogs are the savanna's most efficient hunters, with a success rate over 70%. Their secret: constant communication and unwavering unity. Packs are tightly knit, each member loyal and alert. During hunts, high-pitched calls and body language keep everyone in sync. Some dogs chase directly, others anticipate and intercept. Strategy in motion. Built for endurance, they can chase prey for kilometers, wearing it down. After a kill, the pack feeds together, injured, sick, and pups eat first. This generosity ensures no one is left behind. Older dogs bring food to those unable to hunt, and pups are cared for by all. Cooperation and compassion define their lives. Despite threats from habitat loss, their unity endures. African wild dogs prove that collaboration is the key to survival. Deep beneath the waves, orcas, often called killer whales, reign as the ocean's ultimate pack hunters. These striking black and white giants are not just powerful, they are masters of strategy, intelligence, and cooperation. Watching a pod glide through the water, perfectly in sync, is like witnessing a ballet of predators, each movement purposeful, each member attuned to the others. Orca pods are more than just hunting groups. They are close-knit families, usually led by the oldest and wisest female, known as the matriarch. Her experience guides the pod, and her leadership ensures their survival in the vast, unpredictable ocean. Within these families, knowledge is everything. Unique hunting techniques and survival skills are carefully passed down from generation to generation, creating rich traditions that shape each pod's identity. Young calves learn by watching and imitating their elders, absorbing lessons that will one day make them skilled hunters themselves. Some pods have developed astonishing methods, like working together to create powerful waves that knock unsuspecting seals off ice floes. This teamwork requires perfect timing and coordination, with each orca playing a specific role in the hunt. Other pods specialize in herding schools of fish into tight, swirling bait balls. Once the fish are trapped, orcas use their massive tails to deliver stunning blows, making it easy to pick off their prey one by one. After a successful hunt, orcas display remarkable fairness. Each member of the pod takes turns feeding, ensuring that everyone, from the youngest calf to the oldest matriarch, gets their share. This sense of equality strengthens the bonds within the group. Sometimes orca pods set their sights on much larger prey, like young whales. Using a combination of strategy, strength, and relentless teamwork, they work together to separate a calf from its mother, a feat that requires both courage and precision. Every orca knows its role in these complex hunts. Some distract, others attack, and some wait for the perfect moment to strike. Their ability to coordinate, to time their moves with split-second accuracy, is a testament to their intelligence and social structure. What's truly fascinating is that no two orca pods hunt in exactly the same way. Each group develops its own unique set of techniques, tailored to their environment and prey. These are learned behaviors, refined and perfected over decades, making every pod a distinct culture within the species. Communication is key to their success. Orcas use a complex language of clicks, whistles, and calls to coordinate their hunts, share information, and maintain strong social bonds. Their voices echo through the water, connecting the pod even when they are far apart. Beyond hunting, orcas are renowned for their intelligence and curiosity. They play, explore their surroundings, and teach their young through games and gentle guidance. This playful nature is a sign of their advanced brains and deep emotional lives. But above all, it's their extraordinary teamwork that sets them apart as apex predators. Working together, they can outsmart and overpower almost any animal in the sea. In the endless blue expanse, unity is their greatest weapon. Each pod moves as one, a living testament to the power of family and cooperation. This is why orcas are the undisputed rulers of the ocean, because together they are unstoppable, and their legacy as the ocean's most coordinated killers endures. Lions are unique among big cats for their social lives. Unlike leopards or tigers who prefer solitude, lions thrive in groups, forming some of the most complex social structures in the animal kingdom. Their lives are woven together by bonds of kinship, cooperation, and shared survival. Living in prides, they form tight family groups across Africa's vast plains. A pride can include several related females, their cubs, and a coalition of males. These groups work together not just for hunting, but for protection and raising the next generation. Female lions, the main hunters, use silent signals and patience to outwit prey. Their communication is subtle, barely perceptible ear twitches, tail flicks, or a glance, allowing them to coordinate without alerting their quarry. They spread out, each taking a hidden position, ready to ambush. This careful positioning is crucial, as it allows them to surround their target and cut off any escape routes. Each lioness knows her role, whether it's driving prey toward the others or waiting in ambush. At the signal, a flick of the ear, a low grunt, the pride attacks. The coordinated charge is a burst of power and precision, with each lioness moving in perfect harmony with the others. Prey finds escape routes blocked at every turn. The lion's strategy is to confuse and overwhelm, making it nearly impossible for their target to break free from the encircling pride. This synchronized ambush lets lions target massive animals, buffalo, zebra, even giraffes. Working together, they can bring down prey much larger than themselves, a feat no single lion could achieve alone. Not every hunt succeeds, but teamwork boosts their odds. When a hunt fails, the pride doesn't give up. They regroup, learn from their mistakes, and try again, their persistence a testament to their resilience. Cubs learn by watching and playing, preparing for future hunts. Playtime is more than fun, it's training for the challenges ahead. Young lions mimic the adults, practicing stalking, pouncing, and teamwork, all under the watchful eyes of their mothers. The pride is more than a hunting unit, it's a family bound by loyalty. Grooming, nuzzling, and resting together strengthen their social bonds, ensuring that every member feels secure and valued. Victories and failures are shared, every meal a communal event. After a successful hunt, the pride gathers to feed, with even the youngest cubs getting their share. This sharing reinforces their unity and ensures the survival of all. Through unity and cooperation, lions reign as kings and queens of the animal kingdom. Their strength lies not just in their power, but in their ability to work together, facing the challenges of the wild as one. Their teamwork is the secret to their survival. In the harsh world of the savannah, it is their collective spirit, their loyalty, and their cooperation that truly make them the rulers of their domain. In the deserts of the Americas, Harris's hawks break the raptor mold. They hunt as a team. Family groups, led by a dominant pair, use patience and precision. Some hawks flush prey from hiding, others wait to intercept. It's a seamless relay. One hawk pursues, another takes over. Soft calls and body language keep the group coordinated. This teamwork evolved in response to scarce desert food. By hunting together, they boost their chances of success. The group shares the meal, and young hawks learn vital skills. Few birds show such intricate cooperation. Harris's hawks prove that unity can conquer even the harshest environments. Dolphins' intelligence shines brightest during the hunt. Working in groups, they encircle fish, forcing them into tight balls. Some create bubble walls, others slap the water to stun prey. Dolphins take turns feeding, no competition, just trust. Advanced communication, clicks, whistles, body movements, keeps the group in sync. Calves learn by watching adults, mastering hunting techniques over time. Dolphins also use tools, play games, and help injured pod members. But it's their teamwork in the hunt that truly sets them apart. In the ocean, dolphins prove that cooperation is as deadly as tooth and claw. Deep in the rainforest, army ants show that numbers and coordination can conquer almost anything. Alone, an army ant is insignificant. Together, they're unstoppable. Moving as a living wave, millions march in unison, devouring anything too slow to escape. There's no single leader. Chemical signals guide the swarm. Soldiers form living walls, protecting workers. Scouts search for prey. Their decentralized coordination lets them adapt instantly. By working together, they overcome prey hundreds of times their size. Their raids reshape the forest, sending animals fleeing. Army ants are vital to the ecosystem, recycling nutrients and maintaining balance. Their unity is their strength. No single ant could achieve what the colony does. The swarm is nature's ultimate example of teamwork. Their raids clear away the weak and the dead, keeping the jungle healthy. Army ants prove that overwhelming teamwork can be nature's mightiest force. From wolves to orcas to army ants, these hunters prove that teamwork achieves what individuals cannot. Each relies on intelligence, cooperation, and unity, skills honed over millions of years. Nature's greatest achievements are born from the power of the group. Which pack hunter surprised you most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more wildlife stories.